What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to teach you how to make a LinkedIn banner using free customizable templates. It only takes a few minutes and no design experience is needed. Let's get into it. Before we start designing, let's go over the correct LinkedIn banner size. For personal LinkedIn profiles, the recommended banner size is 1584 by 396 pixels. But for LinkedIn company pages, the recommended banner size is 1128 by 191 pixels. It's important to determine which type of LinkedIn profile you have before designing your banner, just so that you can make sure you're using the right size. To make this process super easy, just head over to snappa.com and make a free account. We have the correct dimensions built right in, so you don't have to worry about using the wrong LinkedIn banner size. On the home page, scroll down and you'll see two size options for LinkedIn banners. If you're making a banner for a LinkedIn company page, just click on the LinkedIn page size. But if you're making a banner for your personal LinkedIn profile, make sure to select LinkedIn background. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. Now, you can scroll through our LinkedIn banner templates and look for a design that you like. We have a huge selection to choose from with several different design styles and themes. Also, all of these designs are fully customizable. So if you see a design you like that doesn't match your career, industry, or professional skills, you'll be able to change any element of it to match your desired theme. Now, just click on a template to get started. Once your canvas is open, you can start by editing the text. To do this, just double-click on a text box and you can type in a tagline, your professional skills, your work experience, or anything that you think would add value to your LinkedIn profile. You can also use the toolbar on the left to make more adjustments. You can change the font, the text size, the letter spacing, the color, and more. Feel free to play around with Snappa's editing tools to see what looks best. Next, I'm going to click on this shape and change the color to something more dark blue and bold. I can choose popular colors from the color picker or use the slider to find a custom color. And if I copy the color's hex code, I can click on the other shape and paste it in to match. Now, let's change the background image. If you click on the Backgrounds tab and select Photos, you can search through Snappa's built-in stock image library. There's literally millions of royalty-free images to use here, and you can just click on one to add it to your banner design. Once you're happy with your background image and how your banner looks, click the pen icon at the top to rename it. Then, make sure to save it to avoid losing any progress, and you can download it as a Retina JPEG for the highest quality and best results. After it's downloaded, just upload the image file to your LinkedIn profile to set it as your banner cover photo. Here's more details on how to do so. Well, that wraps up today's video. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.